Money habits can make or break your financial future, and often, the difference between the middle class and the wealthy lies in the way they handle their money. In this video, we'll cover 12 common money traps middle-class people fall into and how the wealthy avoid them. 1. Living beyond their means. Buying expensive cars, clothes, or homes to keep up with the Joneses often leads to financial strain and a cycle of unnecessary spending. How the wealthy avoid it. Instead of succumbing to social pressures, they focus on living below their means, investing wisely, and prioritizing long-term financial freedom over fleeting appearances or status symbols. This mindset allows them to build and maintain real wealth while resisting the urge to impress others. 2. Over-reliance on debt. Using credit cards and loans for non-essential expenses, like luxury items or unnecessary upgrades, can quickly lead to mounting debt and financial instability. How the wealthy avoid it. They approach debt as a tool for growth, using it strategically for investments, business ventures, or assets that appreciate in value. By avoiding consumer spending on credit, they focus on leveraging debt to create opportunities for building wealth rather than accumulating liabilities. 3. Failing to invest early. Relying solely on savings accounts with low returns can limit financial growth, as inflation often outpaces the interest earned, gradually eroding purchasing power. How the wealthy avoid it. They diversify their wealth by investing in assets such as stocks, real estate, and businesses that have the potential to grow significantly over time. By focusing on opportunities that generate higher returns and build equity, they ensure their money works harder for them rather than sitting idle in low-yield accounts. 4. Neglecting financial education. Not learning about money management, investing, or tax strategies can lead to missed opportunities for growth and costly financial mistakes over time. How the wealthy avoid it. They prioritize continuous education, seeking knowledge through books, courses, seminars, and guidance from experienced mentors. By staying informed about financial principles, investment strategies, and tax optimization techniques, they make smarter decisions, protect their wealth, and create opportunities for sustainable financial growth. 5. Depending on one income source. Trap. Relying solely on a paycheck. Depending entirely on a single source of income, such as a job, can be risky. Job loss, economic downturns, or unexpected expenses can quickly disrupt financial stability, leaving little room for growth or security. How the wealthy avoid it. They understand the importance of financial diversification and actively work to build multiple income streams. This includes investing in stocks, real estate, and other appreciating assets, launching side businesses, and creating passive income sources like royalties, dividends, or rental income. By reducing dependence on one paycheck, they create financial resilience and open doors to greater wealth-building opportunities. 6. Ignoring emergency funds. Trap. Not saving for unexpected expenses. Without a financial cushion, unforeseen costs like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can lead to significant stress and reliance on debt, creating a cycle of financial instability. How the wealthy avoid it. They prioritize building and maintaining an emergency fund, typically covering 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This fund acts as a safety net, allowing them to navigate tough times without resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards. By planning ahead, they protect their long-term financial goals from being derailed by short-term crises. 7. Buying depreciating assets. Trap. Spending big on things like cars, gadgets, and trendy items that lose value. Overspending on depreciating assets such as luxury cars, the latest tech gadgets, or fashionable items can drain resources without contributing to long-term financial growth. These purchases often provide only temporary satisfaction while steadily losing their value over time. How the wealthy avoid it. Instead of funneling money into items that depreciate, they direct their spending toward appreciating assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses. These investments not only retain value but often grow over time, helping to build wealth. The wealthy approach purchases with a mindset of value and return, prioritizing financial growth over fleeting gratification. Point 8. Not having a budget. Trap. Spending without tracking where the money goes. Unmonitored spending can quickly lead to financial leaks, making it difficult to save, invest, or plan for future goals. Without clear visibility, it's easy to overspend on non-essentials and lose control of your finances. How the wealthy avoid it. They practice disciplined financial management by creating detailed budgets and consistently tracking their income and expenses. Regularly reviewing their finances allows them to identify unnecessary spending, stay aligned with their goals, and allocate funds efficiently towards savings and investments. This level of awareness and control is key to building and maintaining wealth. 9. Falling for lifestyle inflation. Trap. Increasing spending as income grows. As income rises, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with more expensive purchases, but this lifestyle inflation can prevent you from building wealth, leaving little to save or invest. How the wealthy avoid it. Instead of matching higher earnings with higher expenses, they consciously maintain a modest lifestyle, focusing on their long-term financial goals. They channel the extra income into investments, savings, and wealth-building opportunities, ensuring that their money works for them rather than being spent on fleeting comforts or status symbols. 10. Neglecting tax planning. Trap. Paying more taxes than necessary due to poor planning. Failing to plan effectively for taxes can result in overpaying and missing out on opportunities to retain more of your earnings, limiting the funds available for savings and investments. How the wealthy avoid it. They take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as retirement plans, for example, for 101ks or RAs, health savings accounts HSAs, and education savings plans. Additionally, they leverage deductions, credits, and other legal tax-saving strategies, often consulting tax professionals to minimize their liabilities. By proactively planning, they optimize their tax obligations and retain more money to build wealth. 11. Avoiding risk entirely. Trap. Sticking only to safe options like cash savings. While keeping money in savings accounts or cash might feel secure, it often leads to stagnant growth as the returns are typically low and may not even keep up with inflation, eroding purchasing power over time. How the wealthy avoid it. They understand the importance of balancing safety with growth by taking calculated risks in investments and business ventures. This includes diversifying into stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or starting businesses with strong potential for returns. By carefully assessing opportunities and risks, they position themselves to achieve higher rewards while still protecting their financial foundation. 12. Neglecting long-term planning. Trap. Focusing only on short-term goals. Concentrating exclusively on immediate needs or desires, such as monthly expenses or short-term savings, can prevent the growth of wealth and limit opportunities for achieving larger, long-term objectives. How the wealthy avoid it. They establish clear, long-term financial goals, such as retiring early, building a sizable investment portfolio, or leaving a legacy for future generations. They create detailed plans to achieve these goals, breaking them into manageable steps and aligning daily financial decisions with their broader vision. This forward-thinking approach helps them stay disciplined and build sustainable wealth over time. Breaking free from these money traps can set you on the path to financial success. The key is to think like the wealthy, focus on the long term, prioritize growth, and always keep learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite tip in the comments.